ambayo ni kuanzia preschool hadi grade ya 4. Watembelee au wapigie simu kwa mengi zaidi. Kurikira bono ayabunu mwagachi kwa manyiri duka okogenda kujia bintu byose biriyo gukorera imirimo yawo. Osmo Traders Limited nigo babwate chitari cyo kwaranse ase nyumba yawo nabo igokubeka sinyasi bune babu egikoni living room nabo igo echikobe kwesiko babwate sanitary wares buna chising chibakuricheze cyo cyonsi showers, towel holders, soap dishes, racks, mirrors na hand basins. Chirangi chonsi chiriya chikuburukanibwa ne computer nabo igo chiriche spray paints no chire mbabwate chipboard buna gypsum boards, MDF boards na chip boards. Hebinto au biogakora plumbing buna PVC joints, PVC pipes na chi water taps chonsi no chire boigo na bokugura chi curtain rods, hood screws, chigulu chonsi, door locks, chi pipe wrench spanners, screwdrivers. Banyore old Sansura building angena Kisii main bus stage gusua Kisimi ase namba enotisano naibire eye mokianda inyeisano enotinye inyeisano nemo. Osmo Traders Limited, customer satisfaction guaranteed. Ndizi TV, ubwansu bw'omugusi.
Mbiyamano sana umwanchi muliyebita senike ya Ndizi TV niko charagire CHINSA IKOMI chabona maragoba snero birebo ikirano kwaneke mnango koletrande amangana AMAYIA nabereka gwatika kura chingongo chonsi inye CHINSA noko semere kwano umwanchi muliye kobereko gutwara obuligeri aborobya nandengo kwaligania SMS ya mangana AMAYIA elindengo manya mange asinchira yobwenye nabakanda gutubwate CHINSA mochi mitandao asensemo ya Facebook gwetera Ndizi TV News Digital nabaga sense media YouTube gwetera Ndizi TV News asense moye website nabagotonya gwetera www.ndizitv.net iriteriane FRIDAH KERUBO nolyo kaneke bna chibi chane lyogire gwekera sole asenchira yabene nere Petra Mokeira chinga kitoroche abarayikoro asobo mobwa Kenya kwanza nigo baba gwekirana asorgongo rwausi asomo yego moneno bakogo kolekana asensemo ya musocho yegotoka ase wodi ya Bugusero imeye bunge ya kitutu cha South asabarai baba gwikirana naboigo gukwanira amangana ayolinge torgongo rwagusi naboigo nigo moyego moneno bakogo kolekana imyumu chuno Nairobi asaborkia wetera sekyombe ya kupech baba gochingira emyaka 25 ase obokoleri bwabo manchu muligelia ayunga tiyali nkwaliganirite asibirebiga toska tonyegera ngwera nanda segeke KERUBO elinde ngumanye amange. Mwanchu muligereli yangu kwa ligani bene linde tobeto kusanga sobamo gochaka bono igagwika omwelyo AMAYIA yebirebiga nigo toko yachaka kurasi county ya Kisii asengo kumanyuna nige gati yabari kuraso bomo bwa Kenya kwanza asibaba koragwa no murayiwense Dr. William Ruto naboigo mokonyo yeri gati gashagwa baba gwikirana ase county ya Kisii namono ase eskuru yaba muraya Cardinal Otunga litkolia lero okwana umugavana county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati nigo abaga kobolia okubwaterana asabaga kwenike bunamba bete bakubwa asobocholi bumwakolyo eta nabo igokogania omurayi wense kubwaterana linda kwenike bunango leta bali amagendero asorgongo rwagusi.
Najua Mheshimiwa Rais wewe ni kiongozi wa Kenya Kwanza na ulitushinda kura, ni ukweli, you defeated us. Kivyo vyote vile wewe ni rais and we will work with you. Na ukitishinda 2027 tutakubali, lakini pia tukikushinda wewe utatupea tu fimbo tuende. Lakini kwa sasa tufanye kazi kama rais wetu. Kitu moja niliona hapa Ujaluoni, wakati mtu mwingine aliongea vibaya kule Sudan, aliongea juu yako. Wangwana wa ODM walisema hapana, Ruto hata kama ni mbaya, it's our president, and that is what we confirm. You are our president and we will work with you as long as we are serving our people.
Chinga kiechio boigo maseneta wa kaunti ya Kisii Richard Momoimonyonka nigo abulio maraiwense kwenekya mnanko gorari Kenya ase aerera emirimo yaye anemono ase okumulikira serikali ya Kenya Kwanza kulinde nigo agokera egitambukiro kya baraikora sorgongo rwa Gusii abo baenekire gocha amo na boigo kubwatirana elinde kwenekya amagendero asorgongo rwa Gusii. Chinga kiechio boigo niga bagakwiraniria mbia mono gocha ase omo bishop asoko beka emerobili mekiranu nabago kwenike buna abarai babere bagocha amo.
I told a friend of mine, if William Ruto doesn't fix Kenya, who can? If you have been in this government the longest. You are with President Moi, you are with President Kibaki, you've been with President Uhuru, now you are yourself. Surely, my president. The issues you hear, many of us, na wale wengine, Your Excellency, wana skianga when I'm on TV and I comment about you and Honorable Gachagua. They think I'm being unfair to you, I'm attacking you. My job is to oversight the government at the national level. So even when I will tell you, Your Excellency, the mistakes, I will also tell you, thank you for the good work that you're doing. Number two, when you came to Nyanturabo, nilikuambia I was not happy. Kuliwa na shida, usoro, wanachapana na Simba, Simba ananigonga, nagonga Monda, Monda anagonga nani? Your Excellency, these young men have agreed to work together and I'm very proud. And I know you have been calling them privately. And I know how hard you've worked. Kwa sababu wote ni kichwa ngumu. So I want to announce here today, and I also, Your Excellency, want to say this. Your Lordship Bishop, thank you, sir. I know how much effort you've made to make sure that these young leaders can come together, reason together, stay peaceful, make sure we build our community. I want to tell my brothers who are here, especially Mheshimiwa Osoro and the young leaders, this is the first time that our community made a generational change. Please don't disappoint our people.
Omukonyi w'omugavana wa kaunti ya Kisii Dr. Robert Monda nigagokera emirimo y'omuraibense naboigo kumwiranira mbya mono ase okwirana Gusii kulinde nigo aganye omugavana wa kaunti ya Kisii Paul Simbarati onchereria kurasa omurengo ODM naboigo gosoa ase serikali linde kweneke bunango bwatirana bale naboigo gokora emirimo bwikiranu.
Your Excellency, tunafurahi umerudi tena Kisii. Wakati ulipokuwa huko nyumbani kwa Machogu homecoming, I told you ya kwamba dalili ya mvua ni mawingu. Na nataka nirudie hiyo. Wanenaji wote katika kikao hiki wamesema ya kwamba wewe utaongoza katika miaka 10 yote ikamiliki. Na nilikuambia Your Excellency, hata wale wengine tuko kwa mlengo mwingine. Tunaangalia mienendo yako na vile unafanya kazi. Nikauliza watu tubadilishe ama tusibadilishe. Tubadilike tuje kwa William Ruto. Tuendelee na kazi wakati ukifika. Saa hii niko kwa huo mlengo. Lakini wakati ukiwadia narudi kwa kazi yako, tuendeshe Kenya hii. Kenya ni yetu, tukamilishe maendeleo, tuchenge Kisii yetu. My governor, nataka nikuulize, wakati ule nilisema tubadilishe, na leo pia nakuuliza, sisemi kwa ubaya, nasema ukiangalia vile nchi inaelekea huko. Kwa hivyo nikikuomba kama mdogo wako, msaidizi wako, na kuomba tuchenge Kenya pamoja na rais ambaye tuko naye hapa.
Omubunge o South Mugirango Silvana Siosoro niga bakagukwanira igoro yokobwaterana n'abaraikora sorgongo rwa Gusii elinde koenekea amagendero kolinde niga bulia omuraibwense Dr. William Ruto koenekea bnachipara aongorosi gwachire ase orogongo rwa Gusii asabaga kogokera obokoreri bwaye anomono koenekea bna egesaku kyomo Gusii kwenyorera kire amabaga yemirimo niga bagakubolia bali babere gose abagusi bali babere bakonyora egetalikorwa asensemo ye serikali koenekea bnankuinyora bale orogongo rwa Gusii.
Your Excellency, kwa maneno yetu ya siasa, sisi saa hii mahali tumefika, sisi mahali jamii ya Mkisii imefika, ile kitu tunahitaji ni kushikana pamoja. Tumejaribu kuketi pamoja na viongozi wote, hata tukizungumza hapa yale yote waheshimiwa wote wamezungumza juu ya barabara. Hiyo ni manifesto yetu ya kwamba barabara zijengwe kila mahali. Lakini Your Excellency, kuna barabara kidogo pia ya national ambayo tuliweka budget juzi, ulituongelesha tukaweka budget kwa supplementary, utatangaza hapa ile barabara main highway ya Suneka, hiyo barabara yote uko daraja 2, uwezi pita, wa mama wetu wanasumbuka sana wakifanya market hapo. Tuweze kusupport hiyo vile ulisema, tukaweka pesa kwa budget. Tafadhali Your Excellency, unaweza tusaidia tusukume kabisa ndio contractor aweze kurudi site. Ya mwisho kabisa Your Excellency, vijana wako wengi sana ambao ulisaidia kupea kazi ya kina Migosi, na kuna wengine pia wanaendelea kutusupport hapa. Ndio huyu Migosi ambaye ni chairman wa KenGen, na aye kerone chairman ya KenGen nayo tenerete stima kwa manyana kia bantu kwabe kamondo gocha seino maite moko takoba igo kwa egwe gazi bono ga abara ibande bago chokwana ngo sababale stima aye na aye chairman una mwabegete budget ya nene aiga seino mboge tutu bantu mba kwa mastima korea chairman ya mangana ye stima kusema na mito bage.
Abaiboli nigo baboligwe kulinda abana babo anemono chinga kichiga chimiga yesuku nabo igo kweneke bnango basome bale chimbwa chingia okwana yobose nigo mulobero yoba gukoragwa no mo basia we district ya Nyamira Elikana Omwenga asebatwara omurobero bokwenana amayigelyo gucha ase abarwani ilinda kweneke bnango manyabale lingana lyomonene kulinda abarwani nigo baba kuboligwa kweneke bnango tanga bali kurwasa mangana mabe ayo arabe kagosalia obugema bwabo
gotwanya tengerusa nigere ntambe tukarege ntukiamana n'abarwani banyora amafundiso aranyale kubakonya aso obugema bwabo igo tukanyoranga ebibyonsi toisa gokora abo sange ng'abarwani babeire pisi na inde banyorira mangana arabakonye asengincho banyale kwendereria aso obugema bwabo
rwani baita asenga kieye mbawente goisika wethera samoro kereri babere bakonyora bawenete kwiyatana kurwase chimbwa chiri chitari cyo Nyasaye
chinga kichiga banyaruka mbabwenerete batari gosoka batabwati sababu na kuna kurandaranda ovyo bagosoka tibo munyaruka asoke kale ni sababu aike sako tumunandairane bana kurandaranda chipara banyare baranyora amatemu banyaro nyono bulitobwa mapema onyoro buma bwa wasariki
ndinga tonale bategia abaibuli abana kibali chiruseji bababundise lingana lya Nyasaye banyale kubatenga lingana lya Nyasaye nilyo botamero byama
abantu aminto abala baminto serikali yeito ya Kenya kurwechi county paka serikali ya nene enanko basaba bana baiga muna bano bakogenda banyorya amahorokeria amayiga bagukora mambia egento nanko bahaji komoranja abana barere na inu kimora se skuru
Aborokia kurase kiumbe gia kupet ritkolia rero nigo bakora umuyiga wo gucengera obukoreri bwabo ase miaka 25 yabeire kigweta. Umuyigo yo nigo bagukoragwa n'umuwaziri wa mangana ye CHINSA CHESCO gusobokoreri we CHINSA CHESCO Musalia Mudavadi oyo bagakogokera obukoreri bwabo nabo yokwenekia 2020 ya serikali ase ogochikobasira okwana aborokia kurase kiumbe kyo nigo bagokera obukoreri we serikali ya Kenya Kwanza anene mono asemero bilio yogosira wizara y'ekiseme
6,000. And indeed I must thank the Kwanza government because I've been around for a while and each time any government employed teachers it only did employ 5,000 per year. And in 5 years episode round of election would only realize 25,000 teachers employed. But the Kwanza government employed 56,000 teachers. However, we want to plead with you without mentioning what you have done for promotions. And we have to thank this government to this extent that by last year when we were here during the ADC, promotions had completely been blocked. But now we are talking about 51,000 promotions that are ongoing. You gave us 14,000. You gave us 6,000 and you have given us 30,000. Your Excellency, another group of 17,000 teachers are remaining. And through government intervention, the teacher service must be told that it must expedite the promotion of all teachers by end of January because Parliament was unable to add the Teacher Service Commission an amount of 1 billion because they have not consumed what they have. And it's the nature of Parliament where I sit for the people of Mokeira that once you have been given money to consume and you are not consuming it on time, then we shall not add money. So we are asking you to ask the Teacher Service Commission.
Tinga kechio boigoni go Mudavadi nekiribuna serikali ya Kenya Kwanza tebwati ncherende kurende goikaba kane chibesa cha makabeso asira bege koira emiaka emeke elinde kogorora uchumi ya Kenya. Boigoni go nekia kurigia chinchira chukogacha enibo anemono asugo chigosira aborokia au barabe ba komenterwa okonyora kwabo.
The nation, we must now think away from continuously taxing the people of Kenya to start looking at what are the other areas that we can make a saving, what are the other areas we can raise resources, inject money into the system so that we can release resources to increase and to ease the burden that the teachers of this country are facing. I want to enlist you to support us to make these tough decisions so that you can have more resources to go to the education of our children and to go into your pocket as better salaries as we move forward. I'm to say this is the problem, that is who we must move away from the blame game. But I've acknowledged that where we are there as a nation. Right now, it's not a question of who put the signature to what document. We are bound by those commitments. Now it is time to work collectively to get out of those commitments.
Mwanchi umurigereria korwa soro boteruni na ikire omweli wa mangana maya asebire biga kurende toskatonyegera tumerane ensa eyamo asenda bengo kumanya amangi asinchira iyo wekirano nabakwenda gutubwate asinsemo chiche mitandao asinsemo ya Facebook wetera Ndizi TV News Digital nabega asinsemo ya YouTube wetera Ndizi TV News asinsemo ya website nabakutunya wetera www.ndizitv.net magachi kamera soko ni kibna ebicha na boigo eliogi ya wikira sole asenchira ya bene nere Petra Mokeira terene FRIDAH KERUBO toska tonyegera umurobeli wechigosoli ngochora segekeke KERUBO siotwara obuligereria borobia.